There's our two birds on the drapes. Here's Andy. He's going to play with them. There's Mom, the grandma there with a bird. Huh? The mama bird, yeah. 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 We got some visitors here today. Yeah. Yeah, there's the Davy boy. Yeah. Oh, there's the bird. The bird is Billy Bob on top of the curtain again. Yeah. There's Billy Bob. And he's going to try to get him. And he's going to try to get him on his arm here. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying. There you go. Let me see it. You see, that's Billy. That's Ricky boy there. Yeah, Ricky boy there. He's a lot tamer than Billy Bob. Billy, oh, both of them. Hey, both of them together. Hey, that's a nice one there. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful picture there. Beautiful picture. Well, that's all for this time. See you later. Bye bye. Huh? Yeah. Bye bye.